Reel, Poppy, reel. Reel, don't stop reeling, keep reeling. He's up there. Move over that way a little bit more. Stay on him. Stay on him. Take your time with him now. Oh, he taking drag. Reel down some more. Reel down. Reel down and ease up on it. Pull up. Oh yeah, that's a big fish, Poppy. That's a big fish. It's a PB, folks. It's a PB right here. If we can get him in. PB for my son. Take your time with him. Stay on him. Reel down. Reel down. Stay on him. Stay on him. Just don't try to hoss on him. Just keep tension. Make sure you feel him. Bring him on up some more. Bring him on. Don't let him get in the motor. Pull up with the rod. Hold on. There he is. Woo! You gotta help me pull him, Poppy. I mean, he's big, but you know, I'm a baggy. Woo! Get him, Pop. Y'all look at that. Look at that right there. That's all it took to hold that fish in there. Y'all see that? Look at that. 8-aught. Super offset jaw jackal, baby. Carolina jaw jackal's getting it done out here tonight. We're gonna pause it for a minute, folks. We'll get back with you. All right, this is my son's new PB. As y'all can see it, rocking that Mad Cat hat. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Yep, that's my son's PB right there. We ain't weighed it yet. We're getting ready to weigh it. We're gonna see what it is. Put them on down right there where I can hold them before you grab the scale. We'll see what it is. Oh, he done knocked my, getting ready to take my medicine. He done knocked everything over. Hold on. There you go. Oh, hold on. Alright, now pick up on it. $21.48. That's my son's PB. He don't get to fish as much as I do, but we're gonna get him on something bigger than that. All right, son, you gotta do your duty and ease her back in the water nice and gentle. Yeah, you can do it right there. That's fine right there. Let the big ones go, folks. Let them grow, let them grow, let them go, grow and go. There she go. There he goes. There she goes. There he goes. I ain't gonna say which one it is. Touchy subject nowadays. Good job, son.
Thank you.
Boy. Ooh, I'm about out of breath. I know y'all can hear me.